some pissed off flow son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow son.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So, here's a little bit of good news. What is today? It is Saturday. I posted last week's video on Monday. Comments showed up today. Yay! Anyways. Kind of weird that everybody in the comments is like my audio's fine. I don't understand it because I'm sure I'm not alone in this. A lot of us creators, when we make videos, we expect the shit to sound or look a certain way. I don't feel like it looks that way or sounds that way, so I'm hard on my shit. And you guys are like, no, it sounds fine, it sounds fine. And a couple of people said they prefer the way mine sounds, so you can hear the bike and shit like that. It's hot. Oh, I didn't put my watch on. It's like almost 90 degrees right now. We went from fucking 40s and 50s to 90s. I really don't have a topic for this video. I'm kind of trying to sway away from topics. Kind of, just talk about random stuff that I won't do at a stoplight. Anywho's. About switching up helmets a little bit. This one is really windy, and it's like if I turn a certain way, I get a lot of wind underneath. I love this helmet. Like, it's a good helmet. I really do. It's way lighter than the original variants. It's a lot better, but it's still kind of windy. Like, I can hear wind over here really bad. Like, I'm getting it. They got these cutouts in the back right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It catches wind. Makes my head cool, but it's loud. I'm sure by now you'll notice I've got my third GoPro hook back up again. We'll see how it works. Bought that off a buddy. Ended up not being the best GoPro that I thought it was going to be. But it works. The auto rotation's broke on it. The rear screen's got a crack in it, and I was trying to mount it straight out because auto rotation, you mount it straight out, it'll still record fine. It wasn't. I finally found my little extension arm to put it down like that. Hopefully upside down it still records right. We'll see. It looked like it, but I didn't test it out. So if you're not even actually watching that footage, that means it didn't fucking work. And I don't like the positioning of it either. I don't like where it's aiming. It moved. Oh well. Woo. Feels pretty good when you get out here and get going. Anyway, so these GoPro mounts, I don't know, man. I was really excited about them and thought they were great when I first got them. They're, you know, I mean, they're billet aluminum. Ow, that hurt my balls. Anyways, they're billet aluminum, It's like, they're really cool. They weren't super expensive. I think I paid I think I paid around 40 bucks for them, something like that. 40 or 50 maybe, and I bought 3 of them. The other one's supposed to be on the other one because I was going to put my old Dark Zero. He had sent me a Hero 4 Silver. I was going to put it on the other side. I just haven't got around to doing that yet. I need to. But I don't like them because they loosen up. Like, no matter how tight you make this, if I hit it real hard, that GoPro will drop. And that one has rotated already, and I haven't even hit it hard yet. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm really sold on them yet on how great they are. See if we can get some scrapey action. Behind me, I might have left her back there a little bit. Oh yeah, it lifted that GoPro straight up at me. Fucking thing. I'm talking about, man, I don't like those mounts. It's like, I need that shit to hold still. Well, we're going to start on Nicole's bike soon. I mean, she wants it done like right now, immediately, but also she wants to ride it. But we have an issue. Let's see if I can fix that. There, that's a little better. Anyways, we have an issue. You know, it's a 2005 Honda CBR 600RR. Ride it for about 10 minutes. Once she gets up to temperature, about 190, 200 degrees, she don't want to run. I get a good amount of power loss. And then also, you pull in that clutch, no matter what, you pull in that clutch, that bike immediately just dies. You know, when it comes off of cold idle or cold running and goes to running hot, I just don't want to run. Travis, as I called him yesterday, he's like, he thinks it's the TPS sensor. Like maybe it's getting too hot, maybe it's just not, you know, old and just not working anymore. So that might be the first place I start. If anybody else has ever had that issue and they know exactly what it is, please let me know before I start spending money. TPS sensor for a 2004 Honda CBR 600RR, 30 bucks. For a 2006, 30 to 40 bucks. For 2005, $100 fucking is the cheapest I can find it. It's like, why buy the one bike that everything costs so much? Look, there she is, right back there. I mean, I don't understand why we're going so slow here, people. I mean, I know the speed limit is 35, but it's time to go. I'll give you a little house update. Getting a lot of painting done, getting a lot of shit done. It's a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. I say 1.5, but like my bathroom that I use that's downstairs, like I don't ever use the bathroom upstairs. The bathroom downstairs, it's small, but I mean it's got a sink, a toilet, and it's got a stand-up shower, but it's got a double stand-up shower. Like you could put a tub in there and really consider it to still be a full bathroom. It just ain't big. But regardless, the upstairs coming along great. We got the upstairs bathroom completely done. We got 2 of the bedrooms repainted that are upstairs. We just have a 3rd bedroom, but that's not really going to be a huge rush right now. Kitchen definitely needs to be repainted. I never liked the color it got painted, and yeah, it definitely needs to be repainted. Alright, I mean, Revelations 12:6, yeah. Revelations, put your foot on the fucking gas and go. Anyways, so the only thing we got really left to do to the upstairs is I got to finish some flooring that I never got around to finishing. I kind of got lazy and tired, and I'm not gonna lie, doing a ton of groove sucks. I mean, I'm getting pretty old and my bones ain't as good as they used to be. My knees hurt a lot. And when I laid that floor the very first time, when I first started laying it, when I did the mass amounts, it fucking killed me. Like, it hurt my knees. Like, I couldn't walk afterwards for one day, and the second day afterwards it was really hard to, like, just not used to, I'm not used to being on my knees. I don't know. Anyways, this video's getting long. So yeah, I just figured I'd talk about some random bullshit. So, like I said, leave some comments. Tell me how my audio sounds today. If anybody's ever had an issue with a bike similar to what I'm talking about with Nicole's CBR, let me know. If I start spending a shit ton of money trying to fix it, a shit ton of money I ain't got. As always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, or check out one of the other videos and hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around. Check out some more dumb shit I talk about. Make sure you'll hit that like button, leave comments, share the video. It really helps us creators out. I will not end this at a red light. I will not end this at a red light. I will not end this at a red light.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, I'll move it again. So, comment, like, share. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.